Was having some lower back pain and some pain that was radiating around to the right side. Immediately after your surgery, I was pain-free. Very good. The pain is completely gone. I'm able to get around and do a lot more. Doesn't bother me to lift. I have no restrictions at all. It's really feeling good. Constantly, but it gets worse when I lay on it at night when I try to sleep. I don't sleep good because the pain it gets worse, and then when I get up in the morning I can hardly move. No, she just said it's normal to have pain for up to a year.
Okay.